Hello friend, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to create Udemy instructor account and start making money with your online courses on Udemy step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, please remember to hit on the subscribe. So with that being said, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to make sure you log into your Udemy personal account. For you to do that, you just have to come to login right here. Then you have to come here and enter your login password. Once you enter your password, click on login. Alright, so once you are able to log in, you're going to have it this way. The next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, where you see Teach on Udemy. Click on Teach on Udemy. Then it take you right here. Then you can scroll down and read some of the information down below right here. Teach your way, inspire learners, and get reward. Okay, these are just the normal 3 process. And then the number of students on Udemy right now is 57 million, and the languages is 75 plus, and enrollment is about 773 million, about over 180 country and stuff like that, or enterprises and other things. And you can scroll down and see more and more potential that you can make on Udemy. So once you get to this point, the next thing you need to do is to come here and make sure you click on Get Started to create an instructor account and start making money with your online courses. So right here, Udemy is going to ask you some few questions. What kind of teaching have you done before? In-person, informal, in-person, professionally, and online, and other. You can choose any of the option that is related to you. So as for me, I'm going to click on other. So once you click on other, the continue button become active. Then you have to come down here and click on continue. So you just have only 3 steps to complete this process. Next thing you have to do, how much of a video pro are you? I'm a beginner. I have some knowledge and I'm experienced. I have videos already to upload. So you can put it, I have some knowledge, and then click on continue. Then do you have an audience to share your course with? Not at the moment. I have a small following and I have a suitable following. Just choose anyone suitable to you. So for me, I have a small following, and then click on continue. So it take you right here, so you can see your instructor dashboard has been created, just like what you see right here. So from the top right here, you have Udemy and you have courses, the courses you have been uploaded so far, the communication between you and your student, and your sales performance, and some tools that can be used for you in your dashboard. So you can click on create course and then start to create your course. You can read through some of the information right here, create an engagement courses, and get started with videos, build your audience, and these are the stuff you can do as far as your Udemy instructor dashboard is concerned. So for you to get started, you can just click on are you ready to build? If you have a course that you're ready to upload. And so in my next tutorial about Udemy, I'm going to explain to you guys step by step and everything you need, such as proper settings of your account and how you can upload your first Udemy course step-by-step tutorial in my next tutorial about Udemy. I hope you guys find fun for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.